Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open an Audi key. First, you will need a few simple items. Grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to help open the casing. Most Audi key fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, so have one of those on hand. It is always a good idea to double-check your owner's manual or the existing battery for the exact type, as some models might vary slightly. Now, let's get into opening the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button, usually on the side or back, and slide out the physical key blade. Next, look for a visible seam or a small notch on the key fob's casing. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this seam. With gentle pressure, twist the tool to separate the two halves of the fob, taking care not to damage any internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery nestled in a metal cradle. Before removing it, make a mental note or take a quick picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most commonly, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Gently pry out the old battery. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery into the cradle, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one was. With the new battery in place, it is time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a secure click, ensuring all edges are flush. Slide the physical key blade back into its compartment. Finally, stand near your Audi and test all the key fob functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm everything is working correctly. Some models may require a simple reinitialization procedure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.